Hi, I'm Desi. I know you're probably thinking, a health and safety course? Really? I'm healthy, I'm safe, I know what to do. Do I really need to take this? The answer is yes. Health and safety is often the last thing people think about in the day-to-day operations of their work. Yet, it's the one that should always be top of mind. In order to help employers maintain a healthy and safe worksite, the Occupational Health and Safety Act, or OHS Act, and the Occupational Health and Safety Code, or OHS Code, give legal requirements for employers to have Health and Safety Committee, HSC, or Health and Safety Representative, HSR. The OHS Act is what sets out the overall framework for health and safety in Alberta's workplaces. The OHS Code is what sets out the minimum requirements for health, safety, and wellness in Alberta's workplaces and provides more detailed technical requirements that employers must follow. I know. Legislation and rules aren't fun. But, we have them for a reason, and that's to try to keep everyone safe. As you now know, Health and Safety Committees, HSCs, and Health and Safety Representatives, HSRs, are legally required in the province of Alberta. There's no getting around it. You're probably thinking, what's this course going to do for me? Well, it's going to teach you the roles and responsibilities of co-chairs and members on joint health and safety committees, or a health and safety representative, the obligations of the various worksite parties, and the rights of workers. In addition to these overarching concepts, you are also going to learn about terms you need to know and understand, what is needed to have effective HSC meetings, where to find some HSC guiding documents, handling recommendations, the role of the HSC or HSR in hazard assessment and control, and the role of HSCs or HSRs in worksite inspections. There's no time like the present, so let's get started.